Hey, where's the helicopter? It's just there a second ago. Oh my god, I'm on the other side. That's the problem. Okay, yeah. Can I ride on this baby? Oh, no way. No way. No way. You can fly in this bitch? Oh my god. Oh my god, no way. No, 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 no way. No way. I'm gone. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm flying a helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter, I love you. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Oh Lord Jesus, what is this? Am I even moving? Oh yeah, I'm moving. Look, it's like, I'm being... Am I even moving at all? What the... Ah! What the hell? Am I crashing... Am I clashing into the sky, pretty much? Hold on, where am I? I can't even see shit. What the hell? Hold up. How do I go down? Is it B? There we go. Yeah, I gotta go down to even the thing. How do you go forward? Is it this? Oh, there we go. You mean Dashmocopter, probably at this point. Where am I? I want to see where I am. No, go down. Oh, I'm going backwards. Oh my god, this is the worst. Oh, you press it down. Oh, oh, there I am. I see myself. Let me go on top of this baby. Oh crap, I just made the... Oops. Okay, there we go. The view up here is lit! Damn. Look at this shit. I can see No Man's Island from here. Wait, so that means it wasn't even that far after all. What the hell? No, I want to go down. Just like down, time to go down. Oh my god, there's a brick here as well. What the hell? How do I get there? No, this way. Oh my god, the controllers. I haven't played race games in a while, so that's probably why I can't even do it. Whatever. Actually, this feels like deja vu. I swore it flew. But I don't remember. Oh, this is the highway. Okay. What happens if I... Oh my god, I'm still in the lake. Hold up. No, not backwards. What are you doing? Don't go backwards, go forwards. I see myself now. What if I just... Oh my god! What? Oh. Oh, the helicopter's gonna land on my ass, hold up. Wow, not as bad as Atlanta as I thought, but okay. Traffic jam, there's a helicopter in the way, hold up. Let me fix that ass for you. This, it's A, right? Yeah, it's A. A from Pretty Little Liars. Low altitude, but whatever. Oh my god, 9/11. Okay. But with a helicopter, not a plane. Oh, I can just do that. That's easier. Wait, why did I just jump out? How do I jump out? Oh no! Oh. Okay. Ah! Wait a minute, where's the helicopter? Oh my god, the helicopter's on my ass. I'm still not even on the ground floor. What the hell? Okay, whatever. I kind of left the helicopter up there, but whatever. Fuck it.